Exceptional customer experiences don't happen by accident. They are carefully crafted through deep understanding of every interaction between your brand and your customers. Imagine having a detailed map that shows not just where your customers are going, but how they feel at every step of their journey. The customer journey mapping expertise offered by Vikilinks transforms complex customer interactions into clear, actionable insights. We believe that understanding your customer's experience isn't just about tracking touchpoints, it's about uncovering the emotions, motivations, and pain points that drive their decisions. Our mapping process begins with intensive research, gathering data from multiple sources including customer feedback, website analytics, social media interactions, and sales data. We create detailed visual representations of your customer's journey, from their first awareness of your brand through to post-purchase engagement and advocacy. What makes our approach different is our focus on emotional mapping alongside functional touchpoints. We don't just track what customers do, we understand why they do it. This dual focus reveals opportunities for meaningful connections and highlights areas where small changes can have significant impact on customer satisfaction. Through advanced visualization techniques and collaborative workshops, we help you see your business through your customers' eyes. Every touchpoint is analyzed for friction points and opportunities for enhancement. We identify moments of truth, those critical interactions that can make or break customer relationships, and develop strategies to optimize these crucial touchpoints. Understanding your customer journey isn't just about improving service, it's about creating experiences that turn customers into advocates. Ready to transform your customer experience from good to exceptional? Let's map your path to customer-centric success, schedule your journey mapping workshop, and start creating memorable customer experiences now.